At the Commonwealth Explosives Factory at Maribyrnong, it's Family Day. The huge Melbourne ammunition plant is thrown open to friends and relatives of staff. One of the first processes they see is the filling of 20mm shells, as the Maribyrnong plant celebrates half a century in the making of explosives. Except for Christmas parties, this week is the only time the public has been allowed through the gates. Mrs. E. Thompson checks them over. She's only one of the staff who spent the day under the scrutiny of visitors, who had to be taken from section to section in the sprawling plant in a bus. Outside a charging bay, where operators control the filling of shells inside by means of long rakes. A dangerous job that calls for the greatest precautions, it resembles the handling of radioactive material in a nuclear power establishment. The powder is raked over a series of holes in the trough to drop through into the shells below. It was a glimpse of operations like this that gave friends and relatives an idea of the intricate and dangerous work carried out by staff at Maribyrnong. Mrs. T. Bogdan prepares the filled shells for the press plant, but she doesn't stay for the actual operation. Behind a safety wall, she waits while the press gives the shells their detonators. Virtually an automatic operation, but everywhere, every safeguard for those who control this huge explosives plant. In Melbourne, it's thrown open for Family Day.